My name is Kelly Pena, and I'm a speech and language pathologist working in the New York City area. I'm very excited to film this video because even though I am on my journey to start my private practice, Jenna's course has honestly been amazing. I feel like I'm paid to say that. I'm not getting paid to say that. I legitimately believe that. I decided to invest in this course because I'd been playing around with the idea for a while, and I'm someone where, as type A, as we all are speech pathologists, I really like structure, but I'm always very nervous about things like paperwork and legal implications, and it's always better, I find, to learn from someone who has done it before. We all like a clinical model. And so I decided to take the leap, and I kind of rationalized it to myself that even if I didn't end up doing a private practice, I still would have the tools if ever one day down the road I decided that that was the route I wanted to go. My favorite part of the course is really how organized it is. It's a step-by-step process, and it's done in a way that is really beneficial for us because it starts us from the ground up. And kind of as you work through the steps and you follow the recommendations, you're building yourself up in a safe, manageable, and hopefully for me, successful way. Also being part of the group has been really great. The moderators and Jenna give immediate feedback as well as all the experience from everyone else in the group. My goal for doing the private practice is really to reach underserved communities. I really want to do telepractice, so reach underserved communities and kind of spread kind of the social justice impact into my clinical practice. If you're on the fence about working with Jenna, just take the jump. It's not going to hurt. You can write it off in your taxes too. It's really helpful. I really appreciate this course, and it has been great for me to kind of work through it at my own pace too. Thanks so much, Jenna.